9 delicious smoked dishes for the big game on Sunday. Hey, welcome back to Smokin' and Drinkin'. I'm Mike, and it is Super Sunday, and it is the biggest day of the year for NFL fans, and we are going to have an NFL feast for all our friends here to watch the big matchup between the Kansas City Chiefs and the Philadelphia Eagles. So we've got quite a spread to put out here for you. So let's get started. First thing we've got is smoked Queso Blanco with jalapeno. And go with that, we've got some Red Hot Blues corn tortilla chips. We also have our smoked cream cheese with maple bourbon rub and Memphis sweet heat rub. Both of those are Smokin' and Drinkin' rub. And with that, the way we eat this around here, we just put some Ritz crackers or whatever kind of crackers you like out, and we just dip right into those. Next we have smoked barbecued football meatballs. They're supposed to look like little footballs. They kind of do. You have to use your imagination a little bit. Next up in the lineup, we've got our smoked pigs in a blanket. And the little smokies were marinated in bourbon and brown sugar and seasoned with Smokin' and Drinkin' Memphis sweet heat rub. And then we've got our pig candy or smoked candy bacon. That turned out real nice. That's kind of a sweet and savory addition to the spread. So that's going to be awesome. Kind of a new player in my lineup is smoked bacon wrapped pickles, and those are seasoned with Carolina sweet heat rub. So those are really good. And next, to add a little bit of sweet and savory, we've got smoked pineapples, and we used our pineapple rub, and it gives it a sweet and savory flavor. Those are good for adding a little sweetness to the playing field. All right, then over here we've got our smoked beef ribs with the Buzz rub, which is a coffee chocolate rub, and we glazed it with a bourbon molasses glaze. Those turned out really nice. Those are bring the beef over here. And last but not least, to bring in a little dessert to the spread, Mrs. Smokin' and Drinkin' went and baked some sugar cookies for us. I did the decorating, not her, so yeah, it looks fine. So there you have it. We've got our spread. We're ready for the big game. And if you want to know how I made any of these, they all have a video that goes with it. I'll put them in the description. If it's not in the description, they haven't aired yet. Keep checking back. They will air. But many of these are already out there for you to view. Check the description. Hey, let me know what you guys are doing for the big game. If you're watching the game, if you're not a football fan, that's okay. You can still make a spread like this for any kind of party that you're doing or whatever kind of gathering you're doing. Let me know in the comments. Let me know who you're rooting for if you are an NFL fan. So that'll about do it. Thanks again for tuning in to Smokin' and Drinkin'. Remember to hit the like and subscribe and notification bell. And as always, Prost!